Hello everybody! I have a new tutorial for you now. This is very short and easy one, how to make a frozen window effect. I hope you will try and you will enjoy it, and thank you for the subscriptions, it's really appreciated. So let's start. So let me show you what we are going to do. This is super easy effect I want to share with you. Everybody can try, and it looks like a frozen window, let's say. So for this technique it's quite better to use a darker clay. In this case this is a blend of clay, but I will show you on just simple dark blue color. So let's start. This is a blue clay on a thickest setting. It absolutely doesn't matter what kind of brand you use, and you will need an aluminium foil, just a small piece. Crackle it like I do, and now this is on thickest setting. Set up your pasta machine into a medium setting. In case of Atlas pasta machine it is number 3, and go. And you can see that it's flattened a little bit, and you will get this amazing icy effect. And now just cut whatever you need and bake. And as you can see here, I have some white dots because I want to have, let's say, like a star effect. So this is just made by stylus. So you can make some dots if you like I do. And bake. Our piece is already baked, and now it's time to use acrylic paint to make it nicely visible. So you need to cover. You can also use brush, yeah, but I like to work with my fingers somehow. So cover your clay by acrylic, and this is the baby wipe, which is actually dry already, and just gently remove it. Not all of it. And at this stage, when you can see the pattern already, let it dry for a while. When it's already dry, it's time to send the acrylic out, which is very quick process, as you can see. We are finished. Of course, you can make some edges and nice background, and how to make it I already explained in my previous videos about backside making. So this is just a very short tutorial how to make this interesting pattern. Every time it will be different because each aluminum foil is different, and I recommend you to use a little bit thicker one to use for outdoor barbecue because it's a little bit stronger than the ordinary one. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and again, thank you for your subscription.